rising slowly. Silver dreams are in the sky. City lights are softly glowing like 1,000 fireflies. The road is shining underneath. The night is calm and wide. With every light that passes by, I feel the world come alive. Beautiful night lights dancing in the rain. Golden little memories running through my brain. Street lights on the highway, stars above the trees. A gentle midnight melody floating with the breeze. The windows down, the cool wind calls. Moonlight shining on the walls. Every turn another view. Every light feels bright and new. No destination, no need to hurry. Let the night erase the worry. With the music playing low, I just let the quiet road flow. And the moon follows me like an old friend in the sky, while the stars keep whispering, don't let this moment pass you by. Oh, beautiful night lights shining through the darkness tonight. Golden roads and silver skies, dreams are glowing in our eyes. Oh, beautiful night lights, take me somewhere beyond the time. Let this journey never end. Let the night become our friend. Beautiful night lights, beautiful night. Far away the village sleeps, underneath the quiet trees. Tiny lamps beside the homes, shining softly through the breeze. A river catches moonlight like a ribbon made of gold. The sound of water in the dark tells a story never told. Fields are resting peacefully. Mist is rising from the ground. Crickets sing their little songs while the night surrounds the town. I can hear my heart beat slowly, moving with the rhythm of the road. Every mile becomes a memory. Every moment feels like home. Oh, beautiful night lights shining through the darkness tonight. Golden roads and silver skies, dreams are glowing in our eyes. Oh, beautiful night lights, take me somewhere beyond the time. Let this journey never end. Let the night become our friend. Beautiful night lights, beautiful night. Maybe tomorrow brings the morning. Maybe these lights will fade away, but tonight I wanna hold this feeling just a little longer. Let it stay. If the stars could write a story, they would write our journey here. Of lonely roads and midnight dreams, of every hope we hold so dear. So let the moonlight guide us, let the quiet sky remain. Let the road keep moving forward through the sunshine.